I'm gonna show y'all the track that I'm doing. Look, muddy. It's all mud going through there. Nothing but mud and ruts. Right here, I'll come in here. And then this is where I crashed at. Because I lost control. It dug in right here. Right here. Left that. Left a big hole right there, if y'all can see that. Sorry for the sunlight and all, but like I almost just died. Then I rode way down there. I think I'm gonna do a burnout for the cam. I'm gonna do a burnout for y'all. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't trying to mess with this property. I'm jacked after that. The whole bike turned around. See? That's where I came from. Right here. Well, you know I'm not lying. Right here. Came from right here. Started crashing. Then I started flipping. All the way down there halfway. But this video is kind of long. I know y'all don't like these long ass videos. But sorry that I swear my Jones. But like, I gotta catch a bag and yeah. I'm gonna do one more run, y'all. And then I gotta hang this joint up. I don't know if I should do left or right. Left or right. We're gonna go this way, y'all. Cause I haven't seen this way for real. Y'all seen that way. Sorry that I'm doing the same stuff over and over again, but like, once I get a trail in here, and it's gonna get up to 50, so like, let's get it. My shoulder. My shoulder. My shoulder. Ouch. Ouch.